Are you looking to learn how to separate audio from video in Camtasia 9? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to do it easily. Let's get right into it now. So I'm going to show you the easy way to do this. It's very, very simple. I already have my file loaded here on the Camtasia timeline. So if you notice here, both the audio and video is combined. So in order to separate this, you would just right click on the clip file here and just go to separate audio and video. Now if you notice here, after clicking that, it separated the audio and the video. So the audio is up here at the top here and the video is down here at the bottom. So this is give you a good way to make simple little tweaks to your audio without affecting anything in the video. Please like this video, share, subscribe, and do all that good stuff. And I will see you on the next video. Hope you found value.